Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose display, scroll down and click on easy mode. Then tap on the switcher to activate it and click home button. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to select settings, click on display, scroll down, choose easy mode over here again, and click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!